Hi friends, most of the students think how to make a effective revision plan for last 30 days. Before that, you should know why revision is important. Let's see importance of revision. Revision is essential to boost your score and it increases your speed of solving MCQs. Did you know that your rank is decided by these 30 days preparation? Next, more the number of revision you do, more is the accuracy of your answers, and less is the time taken for each questions to solve, which finally results in increasing your score. Now, welcome to our Path for Learner YouTube channel. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to our channel to know about NEET UG, MBBS course, career options after 12th Biomax group. Watch till the last to know all valuable information. Let's start. How to plan a revision. Before that, you should know total time available for revision. That is 30 days. Total number of chapters to read is biology 38 chapters, chemistry 30, physics 20. Let's make a effective revision plan. First take total important chapters available to read, that is 65 chapters. These chapters are listed in the previous video. Link will be given in description. Watch after this video. Minimum number of grand tests to be done before main exam, that is 12 to 15 tests to be done or even more if you have enough time. Let's see what you need to do in next 30 days. In first 25 days, you should do one complete revision of all chapters and minimum 10 grand tests. In last 5 days, you should revise again high-yield topics of the NEET and one grand test exactly same as your NEET, like wearing mask, gloves, all other things you will do in NEET. Things that you need to be done in each week are you should complete 20 chapters and 2 to 3 grand tests and analysis of grand test question paper and wrong answers that you made in the test. Daily schedule of NEET aspirants is you should read at least 9 to 10 hours per day. I am not saying your exercise, fresh up time, lunch time, as it varies from one to another. Follow your own schedule, don't follow as others are saying. Keep in mind that there should be no waste of time. You should complete 3 chapters per day, plus practice MCQs for that chapters, and you should complete overview of topics which you are not prepared well before revision. Don't spend more time on these chapters. Even if you start preparing from now, you can score good marks. Yes, it's always possible you can do it. You can remember all things which you read in last 30 days. Things required for practicing grand test: question bank, OMR sheet, timer to complete test in time, ballpoint pen. I am mentioning this because you are writing exam in the OMR sheet, that is offline. Try to avoid online tests and practice more offline tests. Accept your score even if you are getting low and keep preparing to improve your score. Analyze your wrong answers which you made mistakes in tests is very important because you should not do same mistake again. Once again I am saying in this video that do and don'ts in last 30 days. Make a perfect study plan and stick to it. Revise the syllabus. Practice more mock tests. Don't spend more time on newly reading topics. Just give an overview. Use NCERT or your own handwritten notes. Sleep at least 6 to 7 hours a day. Always remember that Know something about everything and everything about something. Stop self doubt about yourself. Believe in yourself that you can rock it and trust the process and you are doing better than others. Let's see in our next video on how to improve your physics score to 150 plus marks and how to solve physics MCQs faster within 45 seconds. And I will upload my handwritten notes for few chapters which I have. Are you ready to watch these videos? Now support our channel by subscribing the channel, like the video and share to your friends. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.